Ovako steelmaking tradition goes back more than 400 years. We were the first one in Europe with boron steels, and the boron steels are the origin of our WR steels.
It all starts with the steel. You need to have the correct steel for the end product. And this is why we have such a broad range of WR grades, depending on what the customer needs to do before the quench and tempering and to achieve the wear properties after quench and tempering. So it's very important that the steel quality is the same from batch to batch, because our customers do not want to change their parameters in their quenching furnaces, and so it's very important to get consistent quality every time, and we're at Ovako is very good at that. We have, of course, have an extensive range of flat bars and round bars, but we also have over 680 different special profiles that is very close to net shape. That means less machining for the customer, and that's a very important part of the WR offering that we have.
Ovako also has the biggest amount of boron steel grades in Europe, around 40 grades in our standard program. And recently we have actually worked together with an independent Swedish company called Sverige Kimab. And they have shown in a big drum test that Ovako's WR steel's properties are outstanding compared to our competitors.
The boron is a very key element in a lot of the WR steels. The boron content is used in a very low amount, and in combination with all other elements you can achieve a big hardness intervals, but you can also achieve the properties needed beforehand so the customer can shape and form and drill and machine the products. But after the quench and tempering, they will achieve the correct wear properties that they need every time. Ovako started to produce these type of WR steels already back in the 60s. So we have a great knowledge about this. And this helps us, of course, to take steps forward. So we are putting a lot of effort into the R&D to develop these grades and taking new steps and ensure that our customer will reach the correct wear resistance in their end product. Since we launched WR steels at Elmia last year, we have seen a huge increased interest in the WR steel, and our customers are really happy that we start to talk about the properties, the wear properties in this case for the WRs. There have been very good dialogues with the customer after this, and we see this in increased test orders and attention that WR gets. So we will continue this work. We will develop the WR steels even further in the coming next year. We are doing a lot of research. So as the biggest supplier of WR steels in Europe, we're going to continue to grow in these harsh environment where these steels are working, and looking forward for the future.